A mud volcano has erupted in Indonesia. This is the news from today. As you can see, a hole in the ground where explosion of mud is happening. Mud erupting at the surface. And as you can see, it has buried some vegetation around it. The trees don't have any branches or leaves left on them. Further away, you can see there are some forests. So this area also was wooded. But at the moment, because of this activity, there is no vegetation. You can see a stream of water is also flowing away from the source of the mud. This is mixture of water and clay, as we know. Some parts of the world, they are not very active, so you can actually go and visit some of these. Or they have a very gentle activity, like in this case. They can be quite tall, up to several tens of meters. They exist even on Mars. And in places like the Southeast Asia and Azerbaijan, Iran, and now Indonesia, we know that they exist. They happen in the geological setting of subduction, where this oceanic crust is subducting under the Eurasian or continental crust. And this squeezes the juices existing in the sediments of the sea, liquefying them, and just makes them to erupt along the fault lines to the surface. And this is the exposure of them at the surface, as you can see here. People go to visit them. They're quite gentle. They're not hot that much, or they don't have probably at all any heat. And this is the case in Indonesia now.